Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the topic types of metrics. Types of metrics. Metrics is one of the important chapters in your core paper Basic Tools for Economic Analysis. Before discussing the topic of types of metrics, you should have a knowledge about metrics. Metrics means what? What is the definition of metrics? In simple words, matrix is a rectangular presentation of numbers, or matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. In the case of matrix is a rectangular presentation of numbers or rectangular array of numbers. The numbers are arranged in rows and columns. The numbers are arranged in rows and columns. They are interrelated in some manner. In the case, in simple words, matrix is a rectangular presentation of numbers. Let's create a matrix with 3 rows and 2 columns. Matrix A equal to this is one matrix. Matrix A equal to 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. These are the elements of this particular matrix. One of the important super basic things you should know about matrix is that elements. Second one, order. Third one, position of an elements. Here, elements. In this matrix, elements are 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. These are the elements of this particular matrix. In simple words, elements are the components of matrix. Here, the components are or elements are 2, 2, 4, 2, 3, 2. Elements means components of the matrix. Components means what? What are the numbers included in this matrix? Second one is order. Here, the order of this particular matrix is 3 by 2. Here, 3 is the number of rows. Here, how many numbers of rows are there? 3. 3 is numbers of rows and 2 is numbers of columns. There are 2 columns are there. So, the order of this particular matrix is 3 by 2. Okay. Next one is position of an elements. Position of an elements means in the case of matrix, each and every element has an unique position. That means in the case of matrix, every element has an unique position. First element is what? 2. The position of 2 is position of element 2 is A11. A11. Position of second element, second 2 is A12. That means A11 or second element is A12. Here A12. The position of this particular element is A12. Means A12. 1 means what? The element 2 is situated in first row. So 1 is row. Second one is A12. Here 2 is the column number. Okay. Next element is 4. Position of element 4 is what? A21. A21. Here position of element 4 is A21. Here 2 is second row and 1 is second column. The element 4 is situated in second row and first column. So position of element 4 is A21. Clear? Okay, this is the position of elements. Types of matrix. First type is square matrix. Square matrix means a matrix has equal number of rows and columns. This is first one is square matrix. Square matrix means the matrix has equal number of columns and rows. In this slide, we can see that one example of square matrix. Square matrix, the order of the square matrix may be 3 by 3 or 2 by 2 or 4 by 4. In the case of square matrix, the numbers of columns are equal to numbers of row. The numbers of columns are equal to numbers of row. This is square matrix. In the case of square matrix, the numbers of columns equal to numbers of rows. Okay, so square matrix is one of the simple type of matrix. In this case, the numbers of row equal to numbers of columns. That is called square matrix. Second type, column matrix. In the case of column matrix, the matrix has only one column. The rows may be any number. In the case of column matrix is another most important type of matrix. In the case of column matrix, the matrix has only one column. The rows may be any number. It may be 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. But the condition is that the matrix has only one column. That is called what? Column matrix. Clear? Okay. Next one is row matrix. In the case of column matrix, the matrix has only one column. But in the case of row matrix, the matrix has only one row. The column may be any number. That is called row matrix. Row matrix and column matrix are very easy to understand. In the case of column matrix, only one column. Row may be any number. But in the case of row matrix, row may be row is only one row, but columns may be any number. This is the difference between column matrix and row matrix. Clear? Next one, zero matrix. In the case of zero matrix, all the elements of this matrix is zero. Zero matrix is another most important type of matrix. In the case of zero matrix, all the elements are zero. All the elements are zero. That is called zero matrix. Next one is diagonal matrix. Diagonal matrix. We already studied about the position of an element of matrix. The diagonal elements are, the position of diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33. Here, this is one matrix. In this case, the A11, this is A11, this is A22, this is A33 elements. Here, in the case of diagonal matrix, A11, A22, A33 elements are diagonal elements. Clear? In the case of square matrix, the elements like A11, A22, A33 are diagonal elements. Diagonal matrix means all the elements except the diagonals are 0. In the case of diagonal matrix, all the elements except the diagonal elements are 0. The diagonal elements may be non-zero. The condition is that in the case of diagonal matrix, the condition is that all the diagonal elements are non-zero, but other elements are 0. This is diagonal matrix. Clear? In this slide, we can see the example of diagonal matrix. Next one is scalar matrix. Next one is scalar matrix. Scalar matrix is like diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix is one example of diagonal matrix. But in the case of scalar matrix, the condition is that scalar matrix is a diagonal matrix. All the diagonal elements are equal. In the case of scalar matrix, all the diagonal elements are equal. The scalar matrix is related, is like diagonal matrix. Scalar matrix is an example of diagonal matrix, but the difference is that in the case of scalar matrix, all the diagonal elements are equal. That is called scalar matrix. Clear? Next one is unit matrix. In this slide, we can see the example of unit matrix. Unit matrix is like what? Diagonal matrix. The main feature of unit matrix is that all the diagonal elements are equal to 1. Other elements are 0. In the case of unit matrix is very easy one. In the case of unit matrix, all the diagonal elements are 1. Other elements are 0 is called unit matrix. Unit matrix is very easy matrix. In the case of unit matrix, all the diagonal elements are 1. Other elements are 0. That is called what? Unit matrix. Clear? Next one is triangular matrix. Next one is triangular matrix. The triangular matrix can be classified into two: upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. First one is upper triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix is very easy one. The main feature of upper triangular matrix is that all the elements, in the case of upper triangular matrix is a triangular matrix. First of all, it is a triangular matrix. In the case of upper triangular matrix, all the elements below the leading diagonals are 0. In this slide, we can see that one example of upper triangular matrix. In the case of upper triangular matrix, all the elements below the leading diagonals are 0. Leading diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33 elements. In the case of upper triangular matrix, all the elements below the leading diagonals are 0. That is called upper triangular matrix. Next one is lower triangular matrix. In this slide, we can see that one example of lower triangular matrix. Lower triangular matrix is, it means, in the case of lower triangular matrix, in this case, all the elements above the leading diagonals, all the elements above the leading diagonals are 0. That means all the elements, leading diagonal elements are A11, A22, A33 elements. Here in the case of lower triangular matrix, all the elements above the leading diagonals are 0. That other remaining elements are non-zero. That is called lower triangular matrix. In this class, we learned about matrix and its types. Matrix is a rectangular array of numbers or rectangular presentation of numbers. The elements are arranged in rows and columns. They are interrelated in some manner. This is called matrix. We studied about different types of matrix such as square matrix, row matrix, column matrix, zero matrix, diagonal matrix, scalar matrix, unit matrix, upper triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix. So this is all about today's class. I would like to wind up my class. Thank you.